Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to change your business or professional account into personal account. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. First of all guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to open Instagram. And now guys, from here just simply you have to tap on your profile at the bottom right corner. Now guys, you have to tap on three lines at the top right corner. Now from here guys, just simply you have to tap on settings. Now guys, from here just simply you have to tap on account. Now from here guys, just simply you have to scroll it down up, and you can see here it's showing here switch account type. Just simply you have to tap on this. Now you can see here it's showing here switch to business account or switch to personal account. Now you can see here just simply you have to tap on switch to personal account. Now you can see here it's showing here when you switch back to a personal account, in app inside will be turned off, and inside from all your content including your ads will be permanently removed. So guys, if you want to switch personal account, just simply you have to tap on this. Now I'm not going to switch this to personal, that's why I'm not going to tap on this. So just simply you have to tap on switch to personal, and after that you can do it very easily. So that's the guys for today video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.